Do you know how to recycle waste refrigerators? 1. Twin shaft shredder. This is the first stage of crushing. It tears the refrigerator shell into smaller pieces. The high-alloy steel blades allow it to shred metal sheets, plastic housings, and internal components with ease, preparing the materials for finer processing. 2. Hammer crusher. This machine performs secondary crushing. With a high-speed rotating main shaft, it reduces the material into fine particles, ensuring complete liberation of metals, plastics, and foam. This greatly improves the separation efficiency of the following steps. Three. Foam treatment unit. Refrigerators contain a large amount of polyurethane foam. This unit separates and collects foam through airflow and suction, preventing dust from spreading and ensuring clean metal and plastic output. 4. Zig-zag air separator. This multi-stage airflow separator uses gravity and air resistance to divide light materials such as foam from heavier materials like plastics and metals, improving separation accuracy. 5. Magnetic separator. This machine removes all ferrous metals using a strong magnetic field. The iron separation rate can exceed 99%, and the clean iron scrap can be directly sold to steel mills. 6. Eddy current separator. Designed for sorting non-ferrous metals such as aluminum and copper. The fast-rotating magnetic rotor creates eddy currents that repel the metal particles, achieving high-purity separation of up to 97 to 99%. After processing, the final outputs include iron, aluminum, copper, polyurethane foam, and ABS/PP plastics. Metal scrap can be directly sold to smelters. Plastics can be processed into recycled pellets. PU foam can be reused as wall insulation or as fuel for waste-to-energy plants. If you are interested in waste refrigerators and other home appliances recycling, please feel free to contact us.